Hi everyone, I wanted to make a video about the new scouts that have been added to level 30 and above systems. These fast-moving hostiles drop messages that can be turned into faction credits in the faction store. I'm hunting Fed scouts right now, and their messages can be cashed in at the Romulan faction store. They're faster than a normal hostile, but they're weaker than what their level is compared to the normal hostiles that you're used to. Now that I've killed that scout, I'll check my chests here. This is after 2 attacks. I have 61 messages, and I can go over to the faction store. I've been collecting them throughout the day. I have about 6 days worth. These are a really good source of faction credits. When you combine this with the new Loyalty Pack 2, you can pretty much get free 4K officers. Good luck, everybody.